Dear investors, what sectors do you think will help you out in generating a bumper returns in your portfolios? According to a lot of research and statistics, it has been seen that banking could be a very strong sector which will help you out in generating a decent returns into your portfolios. Strong banks, especially the banks which has not been performing for the last 2 to 3 years, can help you out in generating a very good returns. You should also not forget that this is an election year. As a result of it, you can invest your money into the consumption theme. Consumption stocks are also those stocks which generally gets rallied during the election time. Also, defense could be a very strong sector, especially after the joint ventures and lot of FDIs which are coming into this sector. One should also not forget over the manufacturing, especially after the huge robust attraction which the India is getting in this theme, and especially after the PLI scheme, it has been seen that this is one prominent sector which will take this country to a different height. Therefore, guys, by investing yourself into these sectors, you will see that there will be a very high returns in your portfolios, as a result of which your portfolios will be growing and you will be very motivated to invest and let your money grow over a period of time. Watch me out for my new videos which are coming out soon over Finance with SIDDARTH.